Exploring Health Science Careers. This is a blended class, 3 hours online and 2 hours in the classroom once a week. The in-classroom time meets from 5 to 7, and it's a gateway to all other health career CCR classes. Online learning will focus on the essential skills of each career, what it takes to get a job in the career, different job pathways within each career, career salaries and working conditions, important career terminology and information. In class, we'll focus on labs and skills of each career. We'll reinforce the basic career information, and it will be hands-on learning. Some of the careers we'll learn about is laboratory careers, imaging careers, nursing, medical and dental careers, emergency, complementary careers, veterinary careers, community and social careers, and mental health careers. We'll learn many skills on the in-class portion, like charting, reading x-rays, pipetting, performing and reading EKGs, triage, blood typing, how to use a microscope, total blood count, blood pressure, pulse, temperature, mental health assessments, and taking patient interviews. We'll use Nepris and Zello to watch interviews of experts in the field. We'll learn about their career and learn their personal stories on how and why they chose their career. Exploring health careers, science careers creates interest in health careers, allows students to enter high-level specific health career courses, is hands-on, teaches real-world career skills, is a survey course of all health careers and taught at your local school. If you're interested, sign up today.